Hello and welcome back to Yoshi's Crafted World. Today we're going to start a new set of levels. We're here on Pastel Pathway and we're going to go to Dino Desert. Ugh, I'm wiped out. If only I had 10 smiley flowers. Thanks, that really puts a spring in my step. Welcome to Dino Desert. We're gonna play Dino Smash. Alright, we're gonna get this dinosaur helmet. There's our first red coin. There's our 4 red coins. Oh no, I feel like there's going to be a flower up here. Yep, we got it though. There's another red coin. Smash, smash, smash. Oh no! Our costume! Oh no, now there's a guy with a dinosaur head. Get out of my way! There's a present. We're gonna have to do this timer thing for this guy chasing us. Okay. Get some more. Oh, there's another one too. Alright, let's try it. Ready, set, go. We got it. I feel like we need more eggs for this though, unless it's a collecting coins game. Let's find out, shall we? Oh, it's collecting apples. Oh, we got it. Another one. Wow, these flowers are right next to each other. This shy guy is making me angry. Over here. Flower on the castle. Good. I knew we shouldn't have broken it. We did not. Hopefully there was nothing else up there that I was hidden. Phew. Nothing hidden. No hidden boxes. Alright, I guess I believe you. Don't see anything hidden there. Hope I can get up there still. Crush these. I feel like there's more hidden stuff in these blocks. Nope. Did we get all the red coins? I don't even know. I don't even know if we got all the flowers. We did get all the flowers. We got 100 coins. We got full health. But did we get all the red coins? We did. Love that flower picture. The Skelesaurus Wrecks. This looks dangerous. Where is this Skelesaurus? Ah! Oh, good. An auto scroll level. Just what I like. No, don't run. No. No, don't run. Killing me, dude. Those want red coins. There's a flower. There's our present. Gotta run, he's gonna run now. Oh my gosh, he almost caught us. Gonna break our present. I didn't see any place to save our location. No, give me this. Thank you, Dinosaurus Wrecks skeleton, for letting me do this. Just a regular coin. I don't want that coin. Can you not get past it? Oh, it's gonna get faster now. Please. No! Oh my gosh, now I missed this. Where am I? So much for this level. will continue. We just missed the last section. Stupid piranha plant. Ruined it. Alright, we're gonna try this section again. Run and don't get hit by piranha plant. I don't think we got all the right coins though. Somehow. We also didn't get full health. I don't know how we would get full health. There didn't seem to be enough hearts in the game to get full health. And we did it! Full health at last. Love that flower picture. Alright, I guess we're done with Dino Desert. That was fast. We're gonna go on to the next part. Ugh, I'm wiped out. If I only had 10 smaller flowers. Here you go. Also, we put on the gator train costume because I wanted to get full health. Thanks, that really puts a spring in my step. Welcome to Sky High Heights. Altitude adjustment. It has a red banner, which means it's an auto-scrolling level where you collect points. Oh my god, this is gonna be... Alright, I'll try my best. Get 40 balloons on this airplane. Smash some balloons and get some coins. This is very awkward to control. Move back and forth. This thing to go up and down. There's a red coin there. Oh dear. Ooh, fat one. That's full coins, baby. No, I don't want to get hit by that. Doesn't look like I'm gonna be getting all the balloons. Dang it, I missed that one too. I don't have any more. That didn't pop them, it just... What? Stupid. Who made this level? Deserve to not make any more games. I I guarantee you those are red coins. And I didn't even get those balloons! I just pushed them up! What?! This game is so dumb! Wow, we actually got 40 balloons. I think that was our goal. I don't think we got all the right coins. I can't believe we made all the balloons. We missed so many. We got the flowers. We got the life. We're missing 6 red coins. So I will see you where they are. Well, at least we don't have to get the balloon. We don't have to worry about getting the balloons this time. Just concentrate on those coins. Get every coin. 'Cause I don't know which ones are not. Red. I'm not playing mellow mode. Another thing that I noticed when I was playing mellow mode with my daughter is that when you're in an area close to where you can get a flower, it actually blinks to show you, oh, there's a flower in this area. Makes it even sillier. Red coins, please. There's 3 more coins. And we got the last 3. Now see you at the exit. And we did it. Love that flower picture. Alright, that's going to be it for this episode. In the next episode, we will take on Poochie's Magma Run. See you then. Bye.